The festival of Holi evokes great nostalgia in me. Not only is it a festival of bright colors and intoxicating bhang, but stunning street food. There's not a single person that I can think of in this country who doesn't like or his mouth doesn't water at the sight of this food. We can eat it all year long, but on Holi, it holds special mention. So I'm going to try some great food today. There's dahi bhallas, there's gujia, great stuff here. बहुत अच्छी चाट लग रही है आपकी यहाँ पे।
बिल्कुल सर।
और क्या खिलाएंगे आप? Looks delicious, this papri chaat. The bhalla looks amazingly soft. Fantastic. It's cold, it's brilliant. And when I eat food like this, it makes me wonder why Holi doesn't come back sooner. Why does it take a year to come back? And celebrating Holi can never be complete without gujia. And these look absolutely stunning. Handmade, as you can see. A long, tedious process. And they look so tempting. And I'm going to grab one of them right now. Fabulous. Now that we've seen it all, let's get down to doing it ourselves. We have with us Anil Kuramal, who I think is one of the greatest chart makers of old Delhi. And he's going to divulge some great family secrets to us. Namaskar Anil.
नमस्कार।
Happy Holi.
होली की मुबारक दो।
आप आज हमारे लिए क्या बनाने लगे हैं?
आपके लिए आज चटपटी चाट बनाते हैं, पापड़ी चाट और दही बल्ले बनाते हैं और कुछ मीठा हो जाए, गुजिया।
So that's some great stuff happening here. Soft, cottony dahi bhallas. Sounds delicious. Papri chaat and the traditional gujia, always eaten at Holi. हम किससे शुरुआत करेंगे अनिल जी?
अब आप दही बल्ले के लिए दाल भिगोइए।
दही बल्ले
मूंग की दाल है वो, इसमें उड़द की दाल डाल दीजिए।
So we've got moong dal here. It's about another 300-400 grams. And we're putting in 1 cup full of urad dal. Mix it and then soak it in water. So 2 hours is what you have to soak them for. अब क्या करेंगे आज के बाद?
इमली की चटनी बनाते हैं। इमली की चटनी को भिगो दीजिए।
और अब पापड़ी चाट बनाएं?
हाँ, आप पापड़ी चाट बनाते हैं। मैदा लीजिए। अच्छा, तेल है ना, इसके अंदर 1 किलो मैदा में 200 ग्राम डालना चाहिए, तो ये थोड़ा है तो इसके हिसाब से डाल दीजिए आप।
We've got about 200 grams of maida here. We'll put in about 40 grams of oil. But before we put in the oil, I think we have to put in some salt.
सॉल्ट, थोड़ा सॉल्ट और अजवाइन।
Some ajwain. All the salt, the ajwain must mix evenly inside. Now we add some oil. So that's about 40 grams of oil and 200 grams of flour. A little bit of water. And now the part I love the most. Knead with your hands. इसके गूंदने से भी फर्क पड़ता है कुछ पापड़ी पे क्या?
नहीं, गूंदो इसे अच्छी तरह, बिल्कुल एक जान बन जानी चाहिए। सब एक जैसा बन जाएगा तब बढ़िया से बढ़िया बनेगी। खस्ता पापड़ी बनाने का यही गुण।
I guess what he means by one jan is it should become a nice homogeneous mixture. Everything must blend together. Nice terminology there. ये हो गया क्या?
Very good, बहुत अच्छा।
I'm becoming an expert. What next?
ये को 2-3 पार्ट में कर लो अलग अलग।
ऐसे
हाँ, और इसको लंबे लंबे ऐसे बनाओ।
ऐसे
हाँ, इसको लंबा कर लीजिए और फिर इसकी छोटी छोटी गोलियां तोड़ लीजिए।
So I guess that's what you make into little papris, these little pieces that you're making from this dough over here. And now I guess we have to fry them. Some oil. कितना तेल डालें?
सारे डाल दो।
सारा डाल दो। This is about a half a liter of oil. We put all of it in there. So while the oil heats, let's make the papris. So light pressure with your palm.
Very nice.
Thank you, Anil ji. That I think is a good size. It's even, not thick in places, not thin somewhere else. So let's make all of these into this while the oil heats up. The oil is just the right temperature, it's crackling. Let's put all of these in to fry and really quickly and all of them together because we want them to cook evenly. अब इसको हिलाएं हम क्या? रुके थोड़ी देर?
थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ, अच्छा सीखने दो।
So you wait for a while, let them heat up a bit. They've come up to the surface and now you stir them.
ठीक है सर, खस्ता रहने के लिए इसकी आंच थोड़ी मंदी रखें और सिकने दें।
So that's the secret to making nice khasta papri. Cook it on slow heat, low fire and let it cook for a while like it's cooking right now.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news and your easy to manage portfolio. Download now ndtvprofit.com/apps.